another new video of tutorials. Today's topic is very interesting. Today's topic is how to talk to the class teacher in the PTM, parents teacher meeting. Now suppose you are in the PTM. Now you have something to say but you don't know how to start, or you are hesitating to start a conversation with the class teacher ma'am or class teacher sir, whatever. Now I have brought some suggestions which may help you to start your conversation with the class teacher. Now what are they? Let us see what are they one by one. First, when you enter the classroom, you may say good morning ma'am or sir. Then you can start like this: I am really worried about my child's progress. His or her. I have put the slash over here because you have a son or daughter. So suppose suppose that you have a daughter. So you can start like this: her grades consistently go down. She is doing well in home, but in exams she becomes nervous and does a number of mistakes. This is a problem and I don't know how to deal with it. Can you please suggest me, ma'am, what I should do to bring back her confidence? Now, when you are saying these statements, these sentences, definitely from the opposite side, class teacher ma'am or class teacher sir is saying something. So you can continue your conversation like this. Even the handwriting becomes worse. My child does not have much confidence to respond in the class. My request is to you, please ask her as much as possible in the classroom. Now, towards the end of the meeting, when you are about to leave the classroom, so you can end like this: thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your valuable time and sharing with us your concern about our children. Have a nice day, ma'am. So this is an example how to talk to the class teacher in the PTM. In my coming videos, I will bring for you similar types of suggestions for you. So to get those videos, please follow, subscribe, like, share, and do know me through your comments that have you liked it or not. Till then, goodbye.